Hello everyone, my name is Carlos and I'm going to talk about learning language, functions and categorizing student mistakes. The first question is, what is a classroom callout? These are posters that function as support materials. They are very helpful for students who already know how to read in a foreign language, as students can practice their pronunciation and reading by looking at the posters that are always in the classroom. The next question is, what are two ways a student may ask for clarification? It is very important that students tell the teacher that he or she is not being clear when teaching a topic. That way the teacher can explain it in another way that all students can understand. Likewise, students must notify the teacher of any explanation or clarification whenever necessary. C. What is the difference between slip and error? When we talk about learning a foreign language, a mistake is when a student does not know a topic, grammar, or vocabulary about the new language, while a slip happens when students, despite knowing the language, do wrong due to usual external things like stress or not being focused. Can you provide an example of a receptive error? This occurs when a student demonstrates that he or she does not understand the main idea of the topic. An example would be using will to refer to a simple present tense sentence. The next question is, how can you handle covert errors? This happens when a student says that he or she has done something, but then asks the teacher. We can handle it by telling the student that if they are sure they do not need approval, and to show evidence of what they are stating. Can you provide an example of a referential error? An example would be, I have one toy instead of I have a toy. And the last one is, can you provide an example of syntactical error? Of course, an example would be, she likes pizza.